Hi all, it's Cindy from Cindy's Art. Today I'm working on another creative series type of bookmark, and I use Brusho by Colorcraft along with watercolor paint in order to create this bookmark. And there's what Brusho looks like by Colorcraft. I love it. So I started off with a very small sheet of paper and I sprinkled that with water, just with my spray bottle. And then you can see I am sprinkling out alizarin crimson and then some gambogi yellow and then a leaf green for the bottom. And the bottom line was I wanted to create some kind of cute flowers and field with Brusho. After I squirted my paper with water and sprinkled Brusho, I'm basically wetting my paintbrush and pushing around the Brusho in order to create a little bit of leaf design or the flower design. Next, I am filling the gaps in, adding a little bit more detail to the leaves or around flowers in order to make them stand out more. Then I'm going to squirt my Brusho down again. I'm going to squirt this paper down, and because I don't want any extra powder left on there, and it's going to activate that Brusho and it's going to let it run, and then I'm going to finish off with some details. And how I finished it off was with a black ink micron pen and a Sakura white gel pen. And I added a little bit more detail, like doodling around it, and it just comes out real cute. And you can see I'm sprinkling a little bit more Brusho on there because I want to have that lime green just pop again. So once I finished it off, I'm going to show you what the final picture looked like. You can see some of the details. It was really fun. This is very simple. I hope you enjoy it. I just want to thank you again for joining me. Thank you for Patreon members who support me, and we will see you next time.